So I was chilling here with my little sister, and she falls asleep on me. I don't know, can you hear her snoring? She's passed out. It's so funny. Oh, okay. But yeah, she's like freaking snoring up a storm over here. She's such a baby. Oh, that baby. We don't look alike, do we? But yeah, I'm like up 12 o'clock in the morning. Sorry. Yeah. April 8th, 12:55. And it's Sunday. So happy Easter. Yeah, Easter. Gonna see the bunnies. Sorry. I'm really bored, as you can tell. So yeah. Okay, well I'm gonna stop, I think. Um yeah, I think I am. Okay. Bye.